On this video today, I'm going to show you another super powerful content locking strategy that you can use to make money on CPAGRIP. This method is free and it does not require any skills. You don't need to invest any money before you get started with this method. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your CPAGRIP accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to come on this side. Once you are here, you have to click on monetization tools. Once you click on monetization tools, you are going to select URL/file lockers. Once you select URL/file lockers, you are going to see a page like this. What we are going to do now is that we are going to lock a URL of a content so that we can get people to complete offers on CPAGRIP before they get access to the content. So what you have to do is that just click right here, create. Once you click on create, you are going to scroll down and then click on I agree to the terms of service. Once you click on that, you are going to click on continue right here. Once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this. So now this is where you are going to lock the content. To lock the content, you need to select a template. So just click right here, templates. Once you click on that, you can see different templates that you can use to lock your content. You can see human verification, you can see many more. As you can see, a whole lot of different templates that you can select. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select the human verification. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see it right here. So anytime people click on your locked URL, they are going to see a page like this. So they have to complete offers before they get access to the link that you've locked. Once you select the template, what you have to do is that you have to come back on general. So just click right here. Once you click on general, you can see you have to give a name of the URL that you are locking. But right now we don't have a URL, so we have to find one. I have found this particular YouTube channel, AB Pusher. This channel has content that teach people how to make money in South Africa. You can see some of the content is going viral. You can see this one right here. It has got up to 200,000 views, as you can see it in the last 5 months. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different content that teaches people how to make money in South Africa. So what we are going to do is that we are going to lock this particular YouTube channel so that we can get people from South Africa to complete offers on CPAGRIP for us to make money before they get access to this particular YouTube channel. So what you have to do is that you have to just come right here and then copy the link of this particular channel. So just highlight and copy the link of the channel. Once you copy the link of the channel, you are going to come back on CPAGRIP. So now what you have to do is that you have to lock this particular link so that you can get people to complete the offers here. To lock the link, you have to just scroll down. You can see right here, locked URL. So this is where you are going to paste the link of the channel that you copied. So just paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to give a name to your link. So you have to come right here and then delete the default name. So just delete everything. Now you are going to type the name that you want. You can just give any name. It doesn't really matter. No one is going to see this particular name. It's just for you to identify the link that you have locked. So in this case, I'm just going to say make money in South Africa. So you can just type something like this. As you can see, that has been done. Once you give a name to your locked URL, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, show offers. So how many offers do you want CPAGRIP to show to your potential visitors? You can see that the default is 3. If you want, you can increase it to 4. You can also decrease it to 2. What I usually do is that I leave it as 2 so that CPAGRIP will show them 2 offers for them to complete before they get access to the link that I've locked. You can see right here, access time. You can change it to any time that you want. So just click and then select any time that you want. In my case, I usually select forever. So once that is done, anytime people click on your link, they'll see a page like this. So once they click on choose a survey, they are going to get offers to complete for you to make money on CPAGRIP. You can see once I click on it, these are offers that I'm supposed to complete before I get access to the URL. But I'm not in South Africa, so they are going to show me these offers based in my countries. People who click on my link in South Africa, they are going to see different offers right here. But if they complete them, I'm going to be paid. Once you enter all the details, the next step is that you are going to click right here, show offers, so that you can see the offers that your potential visitor is going to see when they click on your link. As you can see, these are offers that people are going to see in the United Kingdom when they click through your link. But we are not targeting people in the United Kingdom. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, and then select the country that you are targeting. In this case, I'm targeting South Africa, so just type South Africa right here. As you can see, this is South Africa. Just click on it. Once you select South Africa, you can see these are offers that your potential visitor is going to complete for you to earn money on CPAGRIP. You can see this offer right here. If your potential visitor complete it, you are going to be earning $1.37. You can see $1.37. You can see 17 cents. You can see $2.05. You can see 8 cents. You can see this one right here, 8 cents. You can see 8 cents, $2.05. You can see this offer right here. You're going to be earning $8.56 if your potential visitor complete this particular offer. You can see this one right here, $2.05. There are many offers that your potential visitor can select to complete for you to earn money. If you want, you can select any of these offers that you want your potential visitors to see. I'm going to set this one as my favorite, so just click on it. So once you select it, it's going to appear right here. So this is my favorite. CPAGRIP is going to show this particular offer to my potential visitor. You can scroll down and then select another one that you like. You can see this offer right here. I'm going to be earning $8.56. So you can just click on it so that it will be selected. So now we have two offers. So anytime people click on our link, they are going to see these offers. So if they complete them, you are going to be earning money. It depends on which one of them that they select. Once you know the offers, the next step is that you are going to click right here, save, so that you can continue with the rest of the details. Once you click on save, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is the URL that you've logged. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, get links, so that you can share your link for people to click through and then complete the offers before they get access to this particular YouTube channel. Just click on get links so that you can get a link to your logged URLs. Once you click on that, you can just click right here, copy link, so that you can get people to complete the offers on CPAGRIP. We are targeting people in South Africa, so what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people in South Africa to complete the offers on CPAGRIP for you to make money. So we are going to be using this website, junkmail.co.za. This is a website that is based in South Africa. You can post ads for free without paying for anything. As you can see right here, post a free ad. You can post ad to people in South Africa for free without paying for anything. As you can see on SimilarWeb, this website gets up to 1.3 million visits every month. You can see it right here. As I scroll down, you can see 93.24% of the people who visit this website are from South Africa. You can see it right here. If any person clicks through your link from a different country, CPAGRIP is going to show them offers based in their countries. So once they complete the offers, you are still going to be making money. So now what you have to do is that you have to create your account so that you can begin posting free ads on this website. Just click right here, register for free. Once you click on that, you can get access to a free account so that you can be posting ads on this platform. So I'm just going to log in so that I will show you more of the details. Once you create your free account, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, place a free ad. Once you click on place a free ad, you are going to see a page like this. So you have to enter your name right here. Just type any name that you want. Once you type your name, you can see your email address right here. Once that is done, you are going to enter your WhatsApp contact here and then your phone number right here if you want. In case you don't want, just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see add title. So you are going to type a title that matches the content that you are promoting. In this case, the link that we are promoting is about how to make money in South Africa. So you are going to type that as your title. As you can see, how to make money online in South Africa. So that is our title. The next step is that you are going to scroll down. As you can see, choose a category. So you are going to choose a category that best match your content. The category, what you are going to do is that you are going to search for classes. So just type it right here. Once you type classes, you are going to see different options that you can choose. Just select the first one right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select the category, the next step is that you are going to come right here, intention and price. So just click on it. Once you click on it, we are going to select giveaway. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see description. So you are going to paste the description of your ad right here. Once you have your description, just paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your description, the next step is that you are going to write your call to action right here. As you can see, at the end of the description, I have my call to action right here. Copy and paste this link into your browser to get free access to a full tutorial. So this is a simple call to action. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you are going to paste your logged URL right here. So you are going to come back on CPAGRIP. Once you are on CPAGRIP, just click right here, get links. Once you click on get link, you are going to select a domain. So just click right here, so that you can select any of these domains. So just select one of them. Once you select the domain, you are going to click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to search for bit.ly.com. Once you are on bit.ly.com, you are going to paste your link right here. Once you paste it, click on shorten so that you can shorten your link. Once that is done, click on copy. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back and then paste it at the end of your description. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see locations. So you have to select a location in South Africa so that you can get people to click through your link. So just click on the region right here. Once you click on the region, you are going to select any of the regions that you want. So I'm just going to select the first one right here. Once you select the region, you are going to select the city. So just click on it and then select any of the cities that you want. As you can see, there are many cities, so just select any of them. Once that is done, you can see images. So you are going to upload images of the content that you are promoting. So what you have to do is that you have to come on pexels.com. Once you are on Pexels, you are going to search for money so that you can get images to download. So just select any of the images that you want and then download it onto your PC. Once you download it, you can use it as your ad image. Once you have the image onto your PC, just come right here, click on choose photos. Once you click on choose photos, you are going to select your image, click on open, and it's going to be uploaded right here. As you can see, this is your image. You can add as many as you want. Once you upload the image, just come right here and then select this box. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, submit advert, so that you can publish your ad onto the platform. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see success. Your ad has been placed successfully. So your ad is now live on the platform. You are going to be getting people to click through and then complete the offers before they get access to the content that you've logged. So once they do so, you are going to be earning money on CPAGRIP.